What's up, guys? Quest here. So I just scored a pretty amazing permission. The homeowner's not sure when the house was built, but it's an old one and it's a big property. There's a lot of ground to cover. This is just one half of it. The other half is on the other side. But just driving around today, didn't really have any place to go, so I was like, I'm just gonna do a door knock. So first one I did, got permission. See you at the first hole. So literally my first signal of the day is bouncing around between 77 and 80. First dig on this new permission. It's an Indian head. Pretty crusty, in rough shape. I toothpicked it a little bit because I could not get an ID on it, but it's definitely an Indian. Hope that's a sign of things to come. Stay tuned. So I did a quick sweep of like the hot spots. Got a bunch of clad coins, some old little pieces of scrap metal and stuff like that. I just popped a little gun. I don't think that's a toy. I think that's the real deal right there. Heavy. It's actually my first intact gun that I found. I'm about to get it cleaned up. It's in really good shape. Alright guys, see you at the next hole. So after I found that little derringer over there, I walked about 3 feet over and I got some coin signals and it popped out. I got one of these before. This is my second one. This is a Shell's Famous Faces and Facts and Faith. I think these were from the 60s or 70s. Kind of like the car tokens, only they had like historical people or places or facts. Oh, well, I almost have the whole collection by now. I'm still getting a little bit in the hole here. It sounded like a little spill, so I'm going to keep on digging and see what I can get out of this spot. Just found a really old weedy. It's green, tricked me. I thought I had an Indian head. I think that's going to be 1920. 1920 weedy. That's my second weedy already in this little area over here. I didn't film the other one, but that one's worth filming. It's a 19... I want to say it's a 1920. So I'm getting into a little good area right here. I'll keep on seeing what I can get. Keep watching, guys. Well, just found a D-buckle, about 9 inches deep, so it's got to be pretty old. It's a small one. No. Still finding old stuff here. Just gonna keep on digging and see what I can find. It's a big yard, so I'm gonna be here a while. Keep watching, guys. See you at the next hole. Pretty sure I just found a Tootsie toy, guys. Big one. It's beautiful. Look at that. One of the back wheels is still intact. So heavy. It's full of dirt. That's gonna be an old one. I do love these things. Look, still got some of the paint on it. I'm definitely gonna clean this up, try to get an idea. I'm pretty sure it's a Tootsie. This yard's been pretty good so far. I'm in the shade right now, that's why you can't see me. Keep watching, guys. It's just getting better and better. Well, I've been here over 2.5 hours. Might have just got my first silver. Looks big. I haven't touched it yet. This is exactly how it flipped out. Take a look. Thinking it might be a walker. It's a walker. Oh, beautiful walker. Beautiful walker. 1935. Oh my God. Look at that. That is a beautiful walker. What's funny is it was with this because I just popped the hole, found a memorial, and then stuck my probe back in. Still is getting signal. Turned over a little more dirt, and there it was. Beautiful walking Liberty. That's my third this year. Every time I find these, it's just so amazing. How did somebody lose a piece of silver this big? Now I'm gonna stay longer. Hope they don't throw me out yet. Keep watching, guys. Not even 20 feet away from that walking Liberty, I just popped another silver. I think this is a quarter. I'm not sure what it is. I haven't even touched it yet. See that? Right there. It's a Washington. It's a Washington. 1964, I just made it. Beautiful shape. Last year, Washington. I think I hit a little sweet spot over here. Popped in a couple memorials and a couple Wheaties, and then bam, this comes right out. It's a good yard, guys. Gonna be here a little longer. Keep watching. See you at the next hole. Found another car. This one's a Jeep. Might be a Tootsie toy. It's big. There's the front axle. Must have fell off. Still got the rear wheels. That's pretty cool. Old Jeep Willys. Keep watching, guys. Still finding stuff. I'm telling you, this yard is loaded with Tootsie toys. I just found another one. This one's fully intact. All the wheels on it. Right there. Tootsie toy. I might have banged it right there. It's like my 5th Tootsie toy. I mean, I've covered a lot of this yard and still haven't even really covered 50% of it. So hopefully I get permission to come back again. I'm going to stay a little bit longer, but I don't want to overstay my welcome my first time here. I've been here for about 4 hours now. So if you see me again, that means I found something else. And if not, you see me in the wrap up. Thanks for watching, guys. Another Tootsie toy. It's like number 6. I stopped counting. I don't even know how many this is now. Let's see. There we go. This one's a little one. It's like a little fire truck or something. Tootsie Toy Graveyard. So I worked this place pretty good. Thought I'd stay a little bit longer. Give you an idea how big this yard is. That's just one side. The other side's twice as big as that. But I guess I'm just gonna keep digging, guys. I want to find more coins. I got a pocket full of wheat pennies, probably like 24, 25 wheat pennies in my pocket. A couple silvers. So my very first hole was in Indian Head. I haven't found anything that old since, which is strange because this is an old property. But I'll see you at the next hole, guys. Silver Smile, number 3 on the day. This one's a Merc. Nice Merc. 44. 44. That, I think, is going to be the last find of the day. I definitely want to come back here.